Ever wondered how crypto spot trading works? Well, you're in for a treat today as we demystify this fascinating aspect of the cryptocurrency world. Crypto education is everything in the crypto space. According to MrShaa, the founder of Shalom Cryptocurrency Institution, understanding the spot trading matters a lot. Let's dive into it now. Imagine walking into a marketplace where instead of fruits, vegetables or clothes, people are buying and selling digital currencies. That, in essence, is a cryptocurrency exchange. Now, within this exchange, there's a particular type of trading that happens instantaneously, and that, dear friends, is spot trading. Crypto spot trading is the act of buying or selling a cryptocurrency for immediate delivery. Think of it as purchasing a book online and paying for it directly, and in return, you get the book immediately. In the case of spot trading, you pay for the cryptocurrency and get it in your digital wallet right away. Now, to participate in spot trading, you need to have a digital wallet and an account with a cryptocurrency exchange. Once you have these, you can place a buy or sell order. A buy order is when you want to purchase a cryptocurrency at a certain price. Once someone is willing to sell at that price, the transaction is completed, and the cryptocurrency is transferred to your wallet. On the contrary, a sell order is when you want to sell a cryptocurrency you own at a specific price. Once someone agrees to buy at that price, the transaction is done and the funds are transferred to your account. The beauty of spot trading lies in its simplicity and immediacy. No futures contracts, no derivatives, just straightforward buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. However, while spot trading is relatively straightforward, it does come with its risks. The volatile nature of cryptocurrencies means prices can fluctuate wildly in a short period, potentially leading to substantial losses. So, it's crucial to understand the market, do thorough research, and have a clear strategy before diving into spot trading. To sum up, crypto spot trading is the immediate exchange of cryptocurrencies at a specified price. It requires a digital wallet and an account with a cryptocurrency exchange. The process involves placing a buy or sell order, and once a matching order is found, the transaction is completed. While it's a simple and immediate way of trading, it's important to be aware of the risks involved due to the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. For more crypto articles and videos, follow our YouTube channel. Also visit our website for more www.shalomratombo.co.za. So there you have it. A simple breakdown of crypto spot trading. It's an exciting world out there in the cryptocurrency market, and understanding how spot trading works is a key part of navigating it successfully. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, knowledge is power.